Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Living Locurto, where you can find fun recipes, party ideas, and crafts to help you live a more creative life. Today we're going to make buffalo roasted cauliflower, and I'm doing mine in the air fryer. It is so good and such a good snack and makes the perfect appetizer for any party. Here's what you'll need, and you can always click the link in my description to print this recipe. If you don't have an air fryer, you can bake this in the oven for 30 minutes. Bake in your air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until it's as crispy as you want it. And then before you serve it, toss it with some extra buffalo sauce and enjoy. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to Living Locurto and be sure to check out these other great videos to help you live a fun, creative life.